Hello.
Good morning. Welcome to our clothing store.
Thank you very much.
Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, I am looking for some new clothes.
What exactly are you looking for?
I need to buy a new shirt for a party.
We have a lot of nice shirts in the store.
Where is the men's section?
The men's section is right over there.
Let's go look at the shirts.
Do you have a favorite color?
I really like blue and white.
Blue is a very popular color this season.
Do you have this shirt in blue?
Let me check the rack for you.
I hope you have it in my size.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a size medium.
Here is a blue shirt in size medium.
The color is very beautiful.
Yes, it is a very bright and nice blue.
What material is this shirt made of?
It is made of 100% cotton.
Cotton is very comfortable in the summer.
Yes, it is very light and breathable.
I don't like wearing heavy clothes.
This shirt is perfect for warm weather.
Can I try this shirt on?
Yes, of course. The fitting rooms are in the back.
Where exactly are the fitting rooms?
Walk straight ahead and turn left.
Thank you. I will be right back.
Take your time. I will wait here.
I am back now.
How does the shirt fit you?
It is a little bit too tight.
Is it too tight across the shoulders?
Yes, I cannot move my arms easily.
You probably need a larger size.
Do you have this shirt in size large?
Let me go and find a large for you.
I appreciate your help.
Here is the same shirt in size large.
I will go try this one on right now.
I think the large will fit much better.
You were right. This one is perfect.
It looks very good on you.
The sleeves are the perfect length, too.
The blue color matches your eyes perfectly.
Thank you. I will definitely buy this shirt.
Do you need anything else today?
Yes, I also need a new pair of jeans.
Our denim collection is on the second floor.
Can we go upstairs now?
Yes, follow me to the elevator.
The store is very big and clean.
We just remodeled it last month.
It looks very modern and bright.
Here we are on the second floor.
Wow, there are so many jeans here.
We have many different styles and fits.
I am looking for a classic straight fit.
Do you prefer dark blue jeans or light blue jeans?
I think dark blue jeans look more formal.
Yes, you can wear them to a nice dinner.
That is exactly what I need.
What is your waist size?
My waist size is 32.
And what is your leg length?
My length is 34.
Let me find a 32 by 34 for you.
Finding the right jeans is always difficult.
We have a great selection, so don't worry.
I hope they are not too expensive.
We actually have a sale on jeans today.
That is wonderful news.
Everything on this table is 20% off.
I love getting a good discount.
Here is a dark blue pair in your size.
They feel very soft and thick.
Would you like to try them on?
Yes, where is the fitting room on this floor?
It is right behind the large mirror over there.
I will go try them on quickly.
Let me know if you need a different size.
These jeans are a bit too long.
Do they touch the floor when you stand?
Yes, they drag on the floor when I walk.
You probably need a length of 32 instead.
Can you bring me the same jeans in that size?
Absolutely. I will be right back with them.
Thank you so much for your patience.
It is my job to help you find the perfect fit.
You are a very good shop assistant.
Thank you. Here is the shorter pair of jeans.
I will try these on now.
I'm sure they will fit much better.
Coming out now, you were right again.
The length is exactly right for your shoes.
And the waist is very comfortable.
Would you like a belt to go with your jeans?
A belt is a good idea. Do you sell leather belts?
Yes, we have brown and black leather belts.
A brown belt would look nice with dark jeans.
The accessories are next to the cash register.
I will pick one up before I pay.
Do you need a winter jacket or a sweater?
It is getting cold outside these days.
We have some very warm wool sweaters.
Let's take a quick look at the sweaters.
They are folded on the shelves over here.
The gray sweater looks very cozy.
Gray is a very easy color to match.
How much does the gray sweater cost?
Let me check the price tag for you.
I hope it is also on sale.
The original price is $50,
That is a little bit expensive for me.
but today it is half price.
Oh, so it's only $25?
Yes, $25 is a great deal.
I will definitely take the sweater too.
You are buying a whole new outfit today.
Yes, I am very excited to wear them.
You will look very handsome at the party.
Thank you for the nice compliment.
Is there anything else you were looking for?
Do you sell any winter scarves?
No, we don't have winter scarves yet.
When will you get the winter clothes?
The winter collection arrives next month.
I will come back next month to buy a scarf.
We will be happy to see you again.
I think I have everything I need for today.
Let me carry those clothes to the counter for you.
Thank you, my hands are completely full.
Did you still want to look at the belts?
Yes, let's stop by the accessory rack.
Here are the brown leather belts.
This one has a very nice silver buckle.
What size belt do you usually wear?
I think a size 34 will fit my waist.
Here is a size 34 belt.
It feels like very good quality leather.
It will last for a very long time.
Okay, I will add this belt to my purchases.
Fantastic. Let's step over to the cash register.
Is there a line to pay?
No, there's no one waiting right now.
That is lucky. I hate waiting in long lines.
I will scan your items now.
Please be careful with the delicate shirt.
Do not worry, I will fold it nicely.
First is the blue cotton shirt.
That shirt is $30.
Next are the dark blue jeans.
The jeans are $40 after the discount.
Then we have the gray wool sweater.
The sweater is $25.
And finally, the brown leather belt.
The belt is $15.
What is the total cost for everything?
Let me press the button to calculate the total.
I hope I have enough money on my card.
Your total is $110.
Does that include the sales tax?
Yes, the tax is already included in that price.
That is a very reasonable price for 4 items.
How would you like to pay today?
I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the machine.
I am inserting it now.
Please enter your PIN number on the keypad.
Okay, I entered my PIN correctly.
Now press the green button to approve.
It says the payment is processing.
Yes, the transaction is approved.
Please remove your card from the machine.
I have my card back in my wallet.
Would you like your receipt in the bag?
Yes, please put the receipt in the bag.
Keep the receipt just in case you need to return anything.
How many days do I have to return items?
You have 30 days to return or exchange clothes.
Do I need to keep the tags attached to the clothes for a refund?
Yes, the tags must remain attached for a refund.
I understand. I will not remove them until I am sure.
Here is your shopping bag.
Thank you. The bag is quite heavy.
You bought some very nice, high-quality clothes.
I am very happy with my shopping trip today.
I am glad I could help you find what you needed.
Your customer service was excellent.
Thank you. That is very kind of you to say.
I will tell my friends about this store.
We always welcome new customers here.
I will see you next month for the winter scarf.
I look forward to seeing you again.
Have a wonderful day at work.
Thank you. Have a great time at your party.